have meetings, send messages, send emails, clear your inbox, but you don't want to be busy. You want to make real world progress. When you write down your tasks and they are not tied to a clear goal, when they are not set up at the right time of the day, everything starts to feel urgent. And we all know when everything's a priority, nothing is a priority. For you to truly move forward to your goals, your daily tasks need context as to why this is important for the day. There's also no follow-up. You write an email today, you complete some maintenance tasks, and then you have to do it all over tomorrow, not knowing if it was effective. Your strategy needs to change if you need to do it at a different time of the day. So you're losing useful data into your patterns and the tasks that you should be doing versus the tasks that you shouldn't be doing. Being productive, truly productive, means getting better results, not a longer to-do list. I'm building a system that connects your tasks to goals, has useful check-ins, understands context, can help you prioritize, and actually show you real-world predictions of when you're likely going to meet your goals based on your daily tasks. It's called Zendu. Sign up in the link below.